This is Elk Knob State Park. We'll be hiking to the summit today. Nice brisk cold morning, and we're going up the Elk Knob Summit Trail. Yes, like starts off pretty tame.
30 degrees. Oh, excuse me, 31 degrees.
Oh, sweetheart, pets must be leashed at all times. You got your leash?
Right there.
Pretty chilly out this morning. As you can see, that ice crystals poking through the ground. Pretty cold. And in the wintertime, you can see all around, everywhere you look is a scenic overlook. I don't know if you can see that. And there's this little snow and ice on that mountain across from us. It's beautiful out here. Peaceful. A little rockier up this way. Pretty. Lots of moss on the rocks. This trail is designated moderate to strenuous, and right now it's going up pretty steep and rocky, so hopefully this is the strenuous part. A little rockier here. Rock steps. Another icy summit in the distance. And the higher we climb, just the more beautiful it is. It's a nice crunch. Icy crunchy. All right, at the 1 mile mark. Yeah. A little less than a mile to go to the summit. And it's a gorgeous overlook up here. See an icy peak over there in the distance, a ridge. Just beautiful. Just in case you didn't know it was cold up here. That's my butt print on the bench. Yeah, which is I'm a little damper now. You can see it. It's frosty everywhere else. But I made a lasting impression. I reached part of the trail where it's really icy on the... Saw some crunchy frost, but this is solid ice up here. I'm going to turn the camera off and watch my step. Awesome old tree. Very near the summit now. And it is just amazing how small the trees have gotten.
And no pine trees.
No pines, no evergreens. Hey, wow. Beautiful blue sky. Smile. Patch of snow on the mountains and the ski slopes. Back over toward Boone and beyond. Pretty cool. You can see the ski slopes in the distance.
Are those the windmills?
You can see a little bit of snow on the trail. Supposed to be some more coming maybe tomorrow.